Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive. Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw a brand new number block, Sprunki. Number block, Sprunki 6. Let's get started. First, draw a big rectangle. This will be the main body of Sprunki 6. Now, draw the bottom body underneath the main body.
Rainbow colors come and play, in our hearts forever stay. Sprunki's color parade.
Draw 6 circles on the front of the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great! Next, move to the face. Now draw both big round eyes. Draw the eyelashes above the eyes. Add the eye details inside the eyes.
All right, Sprunki shouts, come and see. Colors live in you and me. Wave your hands in the air. Color learning everywhere. Yellow sun and green grass too. Sprunki's colors welcome you.
Now draw a happy, smiling mouth. Inside the smile, add the teeth and mouth details. Finally, write 6 at the top. Fantastic! You have completed the drawing of NumberBlocks Sprunki 6. Now let's color it and bring it to life. First, pick black. Color the pupils of the eyes, the inside mouth area. Black equals BLACK. Great job! Now pick red. Color the eye outlines, the eyelashes. Red equals RED. Next, pick dark pink. Color the smile outline. Dark pink equals DARKPINK. Looking good. Now pick indigo. Color the whole body, the main body, the bottom body. Indigo equals INDIGO.
4 and 5 and 6 so bright. 7, 8 all day and night. Sprunki sings and we repeat, counting steps with dancing feet. Wave your hands up to the sky. Numbers flying oh so high. Sprunki smiles, we shout hooray. Learning numbers every day. 1, 2, 3 and here we go. Counting fast, now count slow. Jump and shout, 9 and 10. Let's Big Ben again. Numbers growing feels so cool. Learning makes you bright in school. Count with friends, count with me. Sprunki time is number spree. 1 by 1, 11, 12. Numbers make our minds evolve. Sprunki songs,
Fantastic.
we sing and play. Numbers every
Finally,
single
pick
day.
solid blue. Color all 6 circles.
Wherever you
Solid
are,
blue equals SOLIDBLUE.
Shining, here we stay. Learning grows in every way.
Amazing!
Red and
Learning time.
orange, yellow too.
6 ones make
Blue
6.
and green, just me
Let's count to
and
6
you.
together.
Sprunki
1,
leads the color
2,
parade. Every
3,
shade is not
4,
afraid.
5,
Color bright and
6.
color bold.
Great counting! Eye game. Can you find all 6 blue circles? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You found all 6 circles. Mini game. How many eyes does Sprunki 6 have? A, 1 eye. B, 2 eyes. C, 3 eyes. The answer is B, 2 eyes. Fantastic job! You have drawn, colored, counted, and learned with NumberBlocks Sprunki 6. Give yourself a big clap. Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep learning, and keep having fun with Sprunki. See you in the next video for NumberBlocks Sprunki 7. Bye-bye, super learners!
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo! See you next time for more fun adventures!